Three essential traits for success in business and monastic life, Numerical Discourses 3.20. At one time, Buddha said this: monks, a businessman who has three traits soon acquires great, abundant wealth and becomes super rich. What three traits? It's when a businessman sees clearly, is persistent tirelessly, and has group of supporters. And how does a businessman see clearly? It's when a businessman knows of a product. This product is bought at this price and is selling at this price. With this much investment, it'll bring this much profit. That's how a businessman sees clearly. And how is a businessman persistent tirelessly? It's when a businessman is skilled in buying and selling products. That's how a businessman is persistent tirelessly. And how does a businessman have group of supporters? It's when rich, affluent, and wealthy people or children know of him. This good businessman sees clearly and is persistent tirelessly. He is capable of providing for his wives and children and paying us back from time to time. The group of supporters deposit money with the businessman, saying, "With this, our friend businessman, earn money to provide for your wives and children and pay us back from time to time." That's how a businessman has group of supporters. A businessman who has these three traits soon acquires great, abundant wealth and becomes super rich. In the same way, a monk who has three qualities soon acquires great and abundant skillful qualities. What three? It's when a monk sees clearly, is persistent tirelessly, and has group of supporters. And how does a monk see clearly? It's when a monk truly understands. This is suffering. This is the origin of suffering. This is the cessation of suffering. This is the practice that leads to the cessation of suffering. That's how a monk sees clearly. And how is a monk persistent tirelessly? It's when a monk lives with energy roused up for giving up unskillful qualities and embracing skillful qualities. They are strong, staunchly vigorous, not slacking off when it comes to developing skillful qualities. That's how a monk is persistent tirelessly. And how does a monk have group of supporters? It's when from time to time a monk goes up to those monks who are very learned, inheritors of the heritage, who have memorized the teachings, the monastic law, and the outlines, and asks them questions. "Why, sir, does it say this? What does that statement mean?" Those venerables clarify what is unclear, reveal what is obscure, and dispel doubt regarding the many doubtful matters. That's how a monk has group of supporters. A monk who has these three qualities soon acquires great and abundant skillful qualities.